Anger is also the most difficult feeling to manage when compared with other emotions. It often catches us off guard. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Wharton. Today, I'll be talking about winning over anger. Okay, let's do a quiz here. Men and women are equally angry. The answer is true. The popular belief that men are angrier than women, but survey, on the other hand, shows actually women get mad as frequently as men. So, why anger management is important? We know that it affects work and our career. It also affects our personal relationships as well. Anger is also the most difficult feeling to manage when compared with other emotions. It often catches us off guard, find ourselves angry before we are even aware of what is happening. So sometimes in the heat of the moment, it is hard to step back and think clearly about the way to respond to a situation. So when we talk about anger, it is important to be able to identify and label it as accurately as we can. So other reasons why winning over anger is important, obviously, is physical health, right? We know that if we continuously experience high level of this anger emotions, over time, it can weaken our immune system. And also it can affect our mental health as well. Always getting annoyed, always getting frustrated, always getting irritated. It can affect your mental health. Your ability to concentrate in the work that you are doing will be affected, as well as affecting your clarity of thoughts to help you pick the right choices.